first things first, place the camera on the corner on a little tripod, start it off recording. I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI. I'd make sure that you're somewhere to do this that people aren't likely to walk past. People driving past ain't going to see this little camera at the side of the road. And basically, get on your bikes and ride away. Go up the street, out of camera shot, turn around, come back, turn around again once you've gone past, come back again, pick your camera back up, job done. When you come to edit the footage, basically cut out the bad bits that are no good, keep the 3 bits, i.e. you're driving away, you're coming past, and you're coming back to pick the camera up, pulling in, and you'll have 3 shots. Let me know what you think. Do you think I could have done it better, or do you think it's good? It took about 15 minutes to do this. You're only going to get around 20-30 seconds worth of footage, but it's worth it, I think.